Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about programming platforms. After watching this video, you will be able to choose your own learning path. So let's start with option 1. So option 1 is physical platform, that is hardware-based learning, where you need physical Arduino board, sensors, basic connectors, buzzers, LEDs, different type of displays, jumper wires, laptop for programming. So once you finish connection with your microcontroller and sensors, you need your laptop to upload the programming. And once your programming is done, once your testing is done, you are good to go with your first robotic project. And you can disconnect from your laptop. You can use your separate power source to use it separately. So this option is beginners to advanced level friendly, where you can physically touch and feel your sensors and understand better than any other platform. Now let's talk about option 2. Option 2 is completely virtual platform based, where you don't need any of the physical devices such as microcontroller, sensors, connector, etc. So what you need? You need basically a laptop, internet connection, and open source softwares that runs on your browser, that is Tinkercad, Circuit.io, or Arduino web platform, where you can drag and drop physically literally everything. It's like Arduino sensors, Arduino board, you can connect with connectors, jumper wires, you can virtually power up, and you can see the simulation, how does this work. And once it looks good, then then you can shift to option 1. So basically, if you're a beginner, you can start with option 2, watch our videos, upcoming videos, and then learn how to do that. And then you can gradually, once you're comfortable, gradually you can move to option 1. Okay, we'll talk in our upcoming videos more about option 1, that is with hardware, and also option 2 with no hardware. All right, thanks for watching.